So let's just bring them out. Let's give a warm welcome to the Tejas brothers.
How's everybody doing? It's good to be back here in Lewisville, Texas. My name is Dave Perez. We are the Tejas brothers. 1, 2, 3. I just can't sleep. You running round in my head. I'd like to dream about you lying here in my bed. And in the morning when I wake up and I'm all alone, it's me who's gonna call you on the telephone. I can't sleep. You running round in my head. Well, I guess that I just now realize you're the heart and soul of my day. From the moment that I see you to the time I have to leave you, I'm searching for a way I can stay. And late at night when I'm at home, I'd love to call you on the phone, but I know you're sweet dreaming in bed. Yeah, on the other side of town, though you're sleeping soft and sound, over here you're running round in my head, and I just can't sleep. You running round in my head. I'd like to dream about you lying here in my bed. And in the morning when I wake up and I'm all alone, it's me who's gonna call you on the telephone. I can't sleep with you running round in my head. You got it now. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together from Dallas, Texas on the guitar, Mr. Mike Morgan. I'll give him another one, brother. Let me go, let me go. Taking you out at night, well, I spent too long tossing and turning from side to side. And in the morning when I wake up and my eyes are crossed, I'm late for work, I'm gonna have to tell my boss I can't sleep with you running round in my head.